Metro Man here. And the people who say I don't do the High Line, I've never been to Dakota. Well, I would think twice. I got on a fucking freight train just to prove my point. And now I'd be leaving here, I'm fucking cold like fuck. And I really don't fucking appreciate your comments. So once again, you know, we got nothing better to say. I recommend you don't say anything at all. Unless you read the person's blogs, okay? So here we go. Time for me to catch back out. Time for me to go home. Fuck, some people suck with their fucking opinions. Why am I angry? Maybe people shouldn't post shit about shit they don't know shit about.